action.
Okay, this goes with video online 6, 7, and 8. This is called factoring. What we're doing is we're factoring trinomials. Okay, a trinomial means there's an x squared, an x, and a number. You would see something that looked like this: x squared plus 4x plus 6. Okay, the C is always a number at the end. The B is always the number in front of the x, the coefficient of x. And A is the number in front of the x squared. In this case, it's a 1. The coefficient of x squared is a 1. And it's just 1, so we don't write that. We've been through that before. If you have a monomial, these three words, if you know these, you'll probably get the answer right on Jeopardy someday. Not something I require you to know. A monomial just means it's one number. It's like an x. A binomial is something that looks like this. These are examples. And a trinomial is just like this. This is going to be x squared plus 4x minus 10, something like that. Okay? So the first one was talking about factoring. Factoring is kind of taking things apart. Really, factoring is FOIL, which we've done for the past couple weeks, backwards. Okay? Before you had x plus 2 times x plus 4. You did the first, the last, the middle, and you end up with x squared plus 6x plus 8. Okay? We went from this to this. Now we're going to go from this back to that. So let's just say the question 1 said factor x squared plus 6x plus 8. So the trick to these is you make this little table and you say factors of 8. I got this from that number right there, that add to 6. And I got that number from right there. Really, factors of C that add to B. Back to, looking at a C and a B over here. So what are factors of 8? Well, 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 plus 4 equals 6. I want factors of 8 that add to 6. So this is the one I want, 2 times 4. So the answer is just going to be x plus 2 times x plus 4. If it's a plus here and a plus here, these are always pluses here. Cut.